In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a black and white background with a colored subject in CapCut PC. If you want that clean cinematic effect where the background turns black and white but your main subject stays bright and colorful, this is a very simple way to do it using just a few tools inside CapCut on your computer. To get started, we first need to build a two-layer video setup in the timeline. Go down to your editing tracks and click once on your video clip so it's selected. Then press Ctrl and C to copy it and Ctrl and V to paste a duplicate. After that, take the copied clip and drag it upward onto track 2. Make sure you slide it into place so it lines up perfectly with the original clip on track 1. This alignment is important because both layers need to start at the exact same frame for the effect to look clean and natural. Now that the clips are stacked, we're going to turn one layer into the black and white background. Click on the clip on track 2 to highlight it, then move over to the top right Properties panel. At the top, click on Adjustment. In the Basic section, find the saturation slider and drag it all the way to the left until it reaches -100. As soon as you do that, the image in the preview window becomes fully black and white. This layer will act as your monochrome background. Next, we'll bring the subject back in full color. Click on the clip on track 1, then go back to the Properties panel on the right. Under the Video tab, open the Remove BG section. There, find Auto Cutout and enable it by clicking the checkbox. CapCut will then detect your subject and separate it from the background, allowing the color subject to appear over the black and white version underneath. After that, go back to the clip on track 2 and adjust the opacity by dragging the opacity slider to the left. This helps refine the balance of the effect and can make the final result look smoother depending on your footage. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so it's worth checking the preview as you do it. Once that's done, look at your preview window. Your subject should now stand out in full color, while the background stays in a stylish black and white look. It's a quick technique, but it creates a really eye-catching result. With the duplicated tracks aligned, the saturation reduced, the background removed, and the opacity adjusted, the effect is complete. You're all set.